Disney Travel Day. We just got through security. We're waiting to board our plane right now. Oh, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
What ride do you want to go on first? Mouse ride? Okay. We made it. We're in Orlando. Where are we gonna go, Lucia?
Chewy.
Where are we going?
Chewy.
We're going to Disney.
Oh, so
Well, the flight actually left on time and it got in a little bit earlier, but what took us the longest was waiting for the stroller. Yeah? I don't know what she's saying. She was okay. I don't know. We had our moments where we had a couple of screaming tantrums on the plane, but overall she did much better than she has in the past. I think we just kept her busy with a lot of stickers and activities and whatnot. So anyway, we're gonna go meet our driver now and head on over to our resort. We got a walker. So our room isn't ready yet. We just checked in, so we thought we would come over here to Contempo Cafe, which is the quick service over at, where are we? The Contemporary. A little tired this morning, so, Lucia had to get her Mickey waffles. And she's loving the monorail coming through. Yeah, there's a monorail.
Yay!
So they said that they upgraded us, but to the tower, which is awesome. So we're gonna be in this hotel today, but I just don't know the room yet. So I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to this to see what kind of room they upgraded us to. I'm like so excited. Awesome things about here and also eating here is that, you know, you get to see the monorail coming like every 2 minutes. So we just came to eat at the Contempo Cafe here. Right next to us is Chef Mickey's. We actually ate there about a year and a half ago, and I guess like the perk about that place would be the monorail. Chef Mickey's was actually our first ever character dining experience, because the previous times that we went to Disney, we never did the character dining. So, I thought it was like so fun and so cool, like, when we first did it. And now that I've done others, I'm like, I have to say it's not really my favorite, but when I was doing it, I did enjoy Chef Mickey's, but it's not bad, I would say. It's just, I like the atmosphere and the theming a little bit better at some of the other ones. But otherwise, the breakfast is generally the same, give or take. I mean, nothing competes with Topolino's, but, they all have... Okay, no one wants to see that. So we're gonna come check out our room. We're on the 10th floor, and our room number is 4640. So here you can see our view from our room. All right, here's the 4640. So these rooms are incredible themed. My little wet girl. When you're curious, you find lots of interesting things to do, and one thing it takes to accomplish something is courage. That's nice. I forgot to grab mine when we were at Newark, so I definitely want to grab it and check out this view. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. You guys, I did not see this before. Oh my gosh. I don't have words right now. I'm going to cry. I don't have words right now. My life just keeps getting better. Like, this is so nice, you guys. I have to go outside. Lucia, look.
Thank you.
What's outside? Look. Lucia, look over there.
This.
No, look right here. What's over there? Right there. What's that?
Coffee. Look.
What's that?
Dessert.
Yes. Oh my God! Like, am I dreaming?
I think so.
Seriously, am I dreaming?
I think so.
I am kind of like a little bit dizzy up here, and I'm like a little bit nervous with her, but oh my God. Lucia, you gotta stay away from there, Mama. Okay? I don't want you to get hurt.
Cheers.
Oh my God. Like, I just can't.
Cheers.
Sorry, you're probably finding me very highly annoying right now, but We have a view of the Grand Floridian and the Poly. Seven Seas Lagoon and Space Mountain and Tron. Look at, we're gonna see all this. You can even see Big Thunder Railroad. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. I think we're gonna have to watch fireworks from our room tonight. I just think that's what we have to do.
Mommy.
It's 4:20. We are finally getting out of here. We're headed over to Epcot. We're gonna go see at Epcot, huh? We're waiting for the monorail.
Need clothes.
We're gonna go see Moana. We're gonna go see Moana.
Yeah.
Hopefully she's still there. I don't know. We're gonna get something to eat. So we did a lot of splash pad time today. It is 4:50 and we just got to Epcot. Lucia fell asleep on the monorail. She was like dozing off and it finally hit her. I mean, I don't blame her. Poor girl, she has been up since 4 o'clock this morning, I think, maybe a little bit before. So I knew it was about to hit it on her, but at least this way she's taking a long nap. She can hopefully stay up for fireworks over at the resort because we plan to go back and utilize our amazing upgraded room. So yeah, let's just see what we can do. So yeah, we probably will get dinner here and then head back to the resort. That's what the nice thing about being an AP holder. We can just go back and forth and don't have to worry about, you know, getting our day's worth of the pass or whatever.
I've been all around the